Connor Uribe. I'm a sophomore and I'm in pre-engineering 2.
My name is Sophia Miraz. I'm in pre-engineering 2, which is a mix of electronics and DraftCAD. We recently created a 3D printed converter holder for the RBTV teacher, Mr. Holdren.
The project came to be, I had Mr. Holdren come in and had a design problem that my kids could solve. He had an issue with some converters, needed to do some wire management, and it was a great project for my pre-engineering students.
We were asked to make like a holder for the converter for RBTV, because normally it just like hangs or like lays on the ground.
So the converter itself would usually just lie on the ground, and there were several wires, and it was actually pretty dangerous for it to just be on the ground. So we created a case, we 3D printed a case for it to hang off of the outlet itself.
They talked to Mr. Holdren, figured out what kind of problem he was having, what are some of the constraints that he had, and we're able to use our CAD software, Fusion 360, to develop some solutions for him in order to solve his problem. And so they went through a couple design iterations, they kind of mapped out everything, and then we're able to present them with their solutions.
So we created a lot of different hook types, and several of them did not work and often broke off, so it was just that trial and error that really helped make the best version of the case.
First one, like it didn't actually like hold the converters. I had to make it bigger. Then I had to change the hooks. Some of my hooks kept snapping off, so I had to like change the base of the hook so that they would actually like hold up.
It's really important that students have these experiences. These are real world problems that need to be solved, whether they're simple problems or more complex problems. These are all solutions that can be done by students.
Working on like an actual problem rather than just assignments, it makes you feel like you're actually making a difference within the community.
When I go to college, I want to do some sort of engineering. I definitely think this class will help.
I plan on majoring in biomedical engineering in the future, and I know that CAD, DraftCAD, and electronics are an extremely important part of that. To me, to be a bulldog means just being a part of a community where everyone supports each other.